Good morning and happy Sunday. We are now in week 4. This week we're going to be talking about medical necessity, ABN, and NCD LCD edits. This should be a bit of a refresher from your MCCG 145 course. For the discussion, we're going to continue with coding cases. Please know I've given some feedback on this already, but you will need to code a scenario other than your own to get full credit. So you're going to also include a step-by-step on that other scenario. This is just like your initial post, but you're just going to be replying to a peer with a different scenario. So make sure that you do note that in your replies. Then we also have a medical necessity assignment that you're going to be looking at some insurance documentation, and then you're going to be determining, is this procedure considered medically necessary based on the documentation the provider had. We're also going to have a quiz. It's just going to be a 10-question multiple choice true false, as well as continue in on the portfolio project. We will have a live session again this Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Again, these are not mandatory, but I will refer you back to the recordings if you're asking something or unclear that we did go over. So please take advantage of the resources if you are not attending live. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a shout and we can connect. Happy Sunday.